My first example is from West Africa, and this is a stringed instrument called the kora. And I'm actually giving you a couple of different excerpts to investigate here. The first one is using the kora in a fairly traditional way in West African traditional culture. This is a kora master from Senegal, and he will explain as you watch the video some of the history of the tradition, some of the important concepts of the tradition. So we're going to allow you to view that video, and then I will talk a little bit more about that.
Mon vrai nom c'est Kimintang Mahamadou Sissoko. Mon nom d'artiste c'est Ablaye Sissoko. Il faut survivre, c'est-à-dire il faut aller, il faut jouer, il faut chanter pour vivre. Toute ma vie, c'est de mon plus bas âge jusqu'à maintenant, c'est toute ma force, c'est toute mon énergie. Si ça arrive à te faire pleurer ou si ça te révolte, c'est que tu arrives à entendre ce que moi je veux dire. On ne devient pas griot, on est né griot. Mais le griot, il est là. Si tu ne sais pas d'où tu viens, il est là pour te rappeler d'où tu viens. Je suis fier de l'être. Et j'ai envie de faire comprendre à la planète tout entière quel est le rôle d'un griot. Représenter mon passé. Pour moi, ça s'appelle agresser la culture. Ça, c'est agresser la culture.
c'est dommage de voir des lieux, tu vois, où des générations de musiciens sont passés et rien n'est fait pour que ça reste debout. Rien n'est fait.
Okay, I hope you enjoyed that. I find that video to be fascinating because of the artist's perspective on that. I've also given you a link to a video here that also features kora, but now it's featured in a jazz or contemporary music context. And I think one of the things that I find fascinating, and I think you'll find fascinating about music in the 21st century, are all the different ways in which rich cultural traditions have mixed together in the media era today. Since the recording era, roughly from the early 20th century to the advent of movies, television, computers, the internet, we have all these amazing technical resources and ways to collaborate on music and to learn about other people's music and assimilate it. So this is an example. I have several more in the presentation today of how a traditional instrument is making music in a new context. So take a look at this one.
bella giornata